Everyone talks bad about the lone wolf, and they talk about how much he would starve because he only has himself to depend on. But the real talk should be about the people who sit at the table pretending to like each other. That's what the real talk should be about. It shouldn't be about the lone wolf being alone and relying on himself. It should be about the passive-aggressive people sitting at the table pretending to love each other. I would rather be the lone wolf. If I die in solitude and isolation, then it is what it is. But I would not confine with a bunch of fake people who only like me when things are going well. And when things go wrong, they reveal their true feelings about me. Lone wolf.